Morning again, everybody. It is Thursday, December 8th. We're doing stuff today, like always. Not sure what it is, like always, but like always, coffee. Today, we fix cables. First, we need tools. Testing XLR cables or microphone cables is incredibly boring, tedious, and did I mention it's incredibly boring? But here's how you do it. By plugging either side of the XLR cable into the tester, see I've got spots just for a 3-pin XLR. This tester tells me which pins are connected or disconnected. In this case, it should be 1, 2, and 3. They should light up in parallel. So I can tell that channel 2 is a no good. So I gotta fix this one. Let's do that a few dozen times. This one's a nice easy one. I open it up and I see clearly that pin 2 has been broken. So I'll restrip this, resolder it, put it back together, and call that a fixed cable. And again, I have to do that a couple dozen more times. This is just one of 2 boxes that I have. Okay, just a few minutes later, I've soldered pin 2 back together, put it back in the tester, and I can see clearly working. Nothing is crossed, everything is lighting up. This cable's continuity is good. Okay, now these XLRs are all from the bottleneck. The bottleneck is a bar and everything in there gets abused like a bar. So I'm seeing a clear pattern here. The cables are all messed up on, guess what? The microphone end, the end that everybody messes with. There's also a lot of issues that come with tying up the cables. And I hate doing this. Every single time you tie this up, you hurt the cable. You shouldn't do that. The proper way to do it is get a little Velcro tie or a piece of string, tie line, tie it up. Don't tie the cable with the cable, okay? These poor kids, they don't deserve it. And then I'm stuck in a basement all day fixing them. So just be kind, don't whine. You know what I'm saying. You know, I care so much about how we treat those cables that I just drove to the hardware store to buy more cable wraps. And that is enough soldering cables for the day. Time for something else. Pizza, 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 pizza for dinner. Yeah. Thanks for ordering. Thanks for pizza-ing. For ordering a pizza.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Good night.
Yeah. Good night.